Well, I thought it might be useful to show you what it looks like when work is presented on Google Classroom. So here I'm logged in, and this tile is where the work is for me. Your child should click on their classes tile. And I can see here in the stream that my teacher has posted for me a task to do. So I can either click on it here and see it this way. Now, the first thing that you see is this really important box, the hand in box. When the task is finished, you have to press hand in. That does all the saving for you and it keeps the work for you. But if you don't press hand in, the teacher won't see the work completed. So there's a description here. It says, ble wyt ti'n gweithio, where are you working? Or where do you work? And then there's a description here of the task. It says to write where you're working and include a picture. And then the work is here. So do you see this Google Docs here? If I click this, it will make me my own copy, my account copy. So you won't be sharing the task with anybody else. So I click it, and then it opens up another tab where the Google Docs will open, and there should be a title that says, where do you work? There it is here. And then now I can complete the task quite simply, so I can change it. It's just like Word or any other word processing, and I can just answer this question really simply. Ble dwi'n gweithio yn Ysgol Gymraeg Bro Morgannwg. Remember, the task asked me to include a picture, so one of the best things about Google Classroom is it's all integrated. So if I click this tab here, Insert Image, and click on the little arrow, I can either upload from the computer a picture that I already have, or on the phone if you've taken one on the phone, or I can get one from my Drive or from Photos or by URL, or I can search the web, which is just like a Google image search. This tab opens up, and if I type in Ysgol Gymraeg Bro Morgannwg, I wonder if a picture will show up. There's one. It won't look like that much longer. And if I just drag it over, and there's a picture. And there you go. And then when I finished, there's no save function in Google Docs, so I just close this, and then I press hand in, and then hand in again, and that is it. I finished. Now I can check that it's worked. It's kept my work by clicking on it again, and it has. There's my picture, there's my writing, so I don't need that anymore. And it's as easy as that.